Hello, I am Professor Kakadem from Artsu Technical Campus MBA Department. Subject name is Service Marketing and Chapter 2 Traditional Marketing Mix in Services. Okay, so today I will discuss your point trades in visual merchandising. What is meant by trades in visual merchandising? That is, companies are undertaking changes in visual program and direction to maintain their place in this highly competitive business area. Visual merchandiser have to come up with new approach to planning, as sometimes the visual budget have strength. Other without the construction of limited fund have also embarked up on new approaches to their program that the hope will the generate exist and transfer lookers into customer. Okay, that is, by all accounts there are many trends to matter what the budget that are the making handling in the area of visual merchandise and environmental design, such as first one, directional sign. That is, it has become essential for retailer to create directional sign that quickly direct the customer to the take right place and the find design product. In to achieve this, there the trend toward greater use the handling of farming systematic companies are addressing retailer needs with a wealth of new thing product that will more than the likely become part of their interior of this vast majority of large retail space. That is directional signing. So next one, increase use of graphic, means in just about the very retailing venue and the most storage of the house them, the use of graphic in reaching new heights, everything from the digitally produced to graphic that the feature motion is the being utilized to capture the attention of the shopper. That is increase use of graphic. So next one, resurgence of the mechanics. If the past of few years many retailers have to opted the less costly, more practical machine and or mechanicals of which do display their merchandise today. However, and or for the professional future, companies are the following the trend of the reflecting upon the unique mechanics to their facility in the place the less of costly handle types of the made their way to individual merchandise during the close of the twist in century. Next one is opulence in store design. Throughout the country, upscale retailer the investing store design. There are the more extra than over before. Companies have taken facilities design to new highlights in city with the extremely features, lighting and other imposing of the capture the upper class market. This is only of the beginning and that retailer will be likely to continue this design for the foreseeable future. So next one is the innovative lighting. What is my innovative lighting? The wealth of new ideas is new improving lighting for the interior and the visual presentation, including of the advance in color kitchen new lighting system that give the smoother appropriance to the light, become new lighting control system and the greater energy efficiency in white light, means LEDs. So next point, challenges of service communication. Traditional marketing communication storage were shaped large by the needs and the practice associated with the marketing manufacturing goods. However, service of the difference the distribution service from the goods also have the significant effect on the ways of the appropriate of the design of the service marketing communication program. Problem intangibility. Service are the performance rather than the object. The benefits can be the difficult of the communicate of the customer efficiently when the service in question does not the involve tangible the action of the customer or their passions. Intangible create for problem for the makers seeking to the promote of the attributes benefits. So first one generally refers if items that compares the classes of the objective person of the events. For the instance, airline seat, flight attendants, and the cabin service. These general classes have to physically and the most consumer of the service known as the that areas. However, key task of the marketer seeking of the service known of the area. However, key task of the marketer seeking to create distance value is to communicate what make the specific offering different from the superior to the competitive offering. Okay. Next one is the abstractness because abstract concepts such as the financial secure expert advisor of the safe transported do not have one to one corresponds with the physical objective. It can be challenging for the marketer to consult their service thus the concept. Okay, so next one non-searchability. What is meant by non-searchability? It is referred to the fact that the intangible cannot be the search or the inspected before the are purchases. Physically service attributes such as the appearance of the health club of the type the equipment installed can be checked advance, but the experience of working with the trainer can be the determined the throughout the extent personal environmental. So next one is the mental impability. Many service of the sufficient complex multitasking for the novel that the difficulties customer efficiently the new prospect to the understand what the experience of using they will be the like what benefits will the result. So today's second chapter is over. So thank you so much.